Alright guys, half an hour later, the dough is ready. You can see for yourself. It's extremely easy to work with. Absolutely takes no effort. So this is absolutely the best way to make your dough, and very simple. Just pay attention to how easy this thing is to work with. It's like a little sponge. Look at that. Perfect. That's all it takes. A few seconds to make the pizza dough. That's it. So and we're just gonna load it up. You can use any type of pizza sauce you like. That's good enough. So now we're gonna use some cheese. Just like that. And this is home smoked bacon. You can use whatever you would like. This is super delicious. Okay, we don't want to overload this with bacon, but alright, that's good enough. Some red pepper. You can do anything you like, whatever your favorite flavors are. Just put whatever you like. Mushrooms. I usually do mushrooms, but this time around I'm gonna skip it. And I'm gonna put this meat on. That's called cevaps. It's almost like Italian sausage. This is gonna give it an extra flavor. And I'll see you guys soon when I'm done with this. Okay.